And this is my outfit of the day, guys. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, because we're doing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kay. Welcome back to Vlogs by KTV, and welcome to my iPhone 8 Plus unboxing video. So, let's get started. Alright, so firstly I'm using my key to open it because I didn't open it yet. So. There we go. Okay. Unnecessary plastic. Oh, this is all my information. And this is my box for my phone. The box is big. This is a 64 gigabyte one. Wait, how in the world? Wait. Okay, we gotta figure out. And I did get silver too. Okay, wait, how? Okay, I think we just gotta unwrap. Okay. Do it like this. This one got to get tailed. Alright. We have another box, and I'm assuming this is the box that contains the phone, the charger, and headphones. I believe everything I'm going to need. So here it goes. Okay. Can it open the box? Okay. Oh, there's tape right here. I look stupid. Oh. Okay. Now we're gonna open. Okay. And this is the wrapping of the phone. Okay, and I think they already put my SIM card in because there's no SIM card. And here's the charger, head, and this is the piece. Oh. Oh, so I don't think you get a headphones. You don't. Okay, that's just the charger. Let me make sure. Yeah, I don't think you get a charger. I mean, not a charger, a headphone. Silver looks white. It's actually pretty. And it's glass, so you can just see that. That's my computer reflection that you guys are seeing. Oh my goodness, I definitely need a case because me, I'm forever dropping things. So, we're just going to, turn this bad boy on. Hopefully, he's charged. Oh, there it goes. Oh my goodness. I know I'm going to enjoy this one so much. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's on the, you know, hello screen and all. So I'm gonna, oh, you barely have to press it. This thing finna die. It's on 20. Alright, so we're gonna do English. It didn't even click. US. Alright, so quick start. Bring current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in to set up. Okay. Gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. Alright, it's connected. Yeah, I am excited. Excited. I'm just gonna put this right here. It's still loading. Okay. So this is just Touch ID. So so. Alright, now it says adjust my grip. So this is for like the edges of my finger. Okay, the lighting is it? Okay. Now my passcode. I'm not transferring because I want to start off fresh and new with this phone. Or should I just, my email. I think my email I can bring over. So I'm gonna do that. You guys are not gonna have to see that. So. Alright, so now it's setting up and it's saying the terms and conditions. Setting up again. Now we're doing Siri, so hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Alright, Siri is ready. Oh. Okay. Okay. Should I do light or dark? I like dark. What? Yeah, I like dark. Oh, so now you do something with the home button. It says choose your click. Type an option below, then press the home button to give it a try. To set the one you like best, tap next. Okay. I don't understand that. Okay. We're gonna do standard. And it says welcome to iPhone. I don't know what all my email brought over, so I'll see. It didn't bring any apps or anything. So basically that is it. Let me see if it used my phone number too, because I think it did. It might have. Nope, don't think so. Because I do not, well, actually I think it did, because I just got the message, but I don't see it in my settings. So I might either keep the iCloud I already have, or I might go back and just restart it with a new iCloud, depending. But I might just keep this iCloud on here, because it didn't bring any of my apps or anything, or my photos. No, I don't see them, so wait. Actually, it did. Yeah, I might just set up a new iCloud. But yeah, you guys saw the process. You already know the simple. And that is it. In a later video, I will let you guys know if this phone is worth it in 2020. And also I will do a what's on my iPhone video as well, where once I download my apps and stuff, you will see. So I thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, because what are you doing? I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! And this is my outfit of the day, guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, because we're doing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!